Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles from a Canon Pixma MG7750. Now this is nice and simple, been done from the printer itself, using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. So we need to get ourselves to the home screen of the printer, so if your screen doesn't already look like this, just press the home button over there. Then we swipe the screen to the right, and we want to go into setup. Once we're in setup, we need to go into maintenance, which is the top option here. And then we have cleaning and deep cleaning options, which you can see on the screen. Now, they both do essentially the same thing, but deep cleaning is more thorough, but uses more ink. So if this is your first clean, I'd recommend going to cleaning first of all. Now this will take your printer a couple of minutes, and what it's doing is physically pushing ink through the printer's printhead to dislodge anything that's dried or congealed along the printhead and improve the print quality. So if we give it just a couple minutes. And once it's finished cleaning, you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this, offering you to print a nozzle check pattern, which is like a test page, which breaks down all of the colors used by your printer, so you can see your printer's ability to use the 6 cartridges that it carries. And from here, you can just do cleans and test pages until you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.